What's up, money makers? Looking for the next stock to explode or just want to break one down and see its potential? Well, you've ended up in the right place today, my friend. Not only do I break them down and analyze stocks, but we also have the right juice at Banking with Billy Discord. Billy and the other coaches, including myself, rip the smoke every day with updates on stocks we are chasing or letting go. Flooding that chat with updates and direction. Now, just a reminder stocks have a mind of their own, so therefore, I am not a financial advisor, and the stocks mentioned in my videos are opinion based off of legal provided tools, news, and opinions that are provided from me. I'm John with Just.Scrollin.Trades. Let's get it. All right, let's talk about VTNR, Vertex Energy. This one has been playing on everybody's scale. We've mentioned it in the Discord. I know this has been brought up by Banking with Billy. I know Billy Banks brought it up. I'm pretty sure Dragonfly did too, and maybe Oda Skills. I think he may have also. But regardless, this thing's been dragging out for a while. We've all been watching because we saw this low boat a while back, dropping down low. It played with us right here. You see this? It crossed. Oh no, it's gonna drop. No, it didn't. It exploded even more. Now, we're trying to figure out why. What's going on with this stock? What should we break down first? We know that this thing's going to explode. Look here, your 52 week highs, 52 week lows. That tells you a lot of the story right there already. Well, the 52 week low was $1.32. Look right here. That means that that's already came out. It's already back on the up. So that also means this is what we've been waiting for. Oh, it was Billy. I do remember this one. So this was a swing trade. Wait for the drop from here, $1.40 or less. Yeah. And so I think that's about where I got in. Was it like 137, something like that? Now, you know the rules between 7 and 15%. If you get scared of a trade, back out of that trade. Don't ever feel obligated to stay in one just because somebody else is. Half these jacks on here, they're risk takers. With Monday through Friday, they might be doing stocks, and on the weekends, they might be sitting down at the poker table. It's a risky game. It's a fun game, but it's a risky one. All right, y'all know how I do. I'm going to come down. That's my 4 hours, so we already know what's going down for the day. It looks like, it's setting itself up a little bit, but we got to investigate even more. Let's go to the 15 minutes. See? Still got that little pullback. Look right there. That's my favorite sign right there. You see that? That MACD about to bust up. Blow out of there. I know it is. Let's see. Let's check the volume. You know how I am. I got to check that volume. Boom. 454K over 407. So that means that it has the potential to go up. But what's going to keep it slow, nice and slow, is the neutral. 377. That holdback. Look at that volume pop this morning already. Or was that yesterday? Let's see. Oh, no. It's not extended hours. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Yeah, we're still up, though. We're still up. Okay. So we had that little pop this morning. Now we're going to see what she's going to do. She's forming another one already. And that's just it. I mean, to really just know what every stock's going to do, you're seriously just going to have to keep up with them. Keep up with the news. Let that information, gain information on the stock. Build up your buy-in. Build up your sell. If you pay attention and you dissect every stock like we do on here in all these videos, you're going to be able to even get in more depth because it's like a tunnel. It's a tunnel. Let me show you. Let's go over here. FANG, VTNR, major energy gainers. MTR, major loser. Gains, Diamondback Energy, FANG, +9. VTNR was +9 also. MTR is down 6%. Let's continue reading this because this is vital information. This is, I don't want to do this just yet. I'm trying to hold off. It's probably going to make me, though. I can sign in later. Maybe. Maybe it'll let me, maybe it won't. I don't know. Well, it's not even going to let me go through them. I told you guys that they're sucking me in now because they know I like it. We can even see right here in the background, SP 500 energy sector is plus 1.24. Now you got to remember, SP 500, it has all kinds of stocks in it. Well, this isn't the only one, and this isn't involved in the only one. And you can actually, whenever you get into something this depth like this, you can go. You got to jump around. Tip ranks, another good one. Moderate buy, and it's going to show you here too. Look at this scale. The only thing that's came close to is these holds, but the holds are down. Strong buy or a buy all day long, all day long. Now you have to determine what you're trying to do with each and every stock. So, do we want to day trade with this stock? Do we want to swing trade? Is this a long-term investment? Oh man, as everybody else wishes, all the things was not going on in the world today where we could make this remarkable change in the game. This is a century that will never 2024 will never be forgotten. 2024 will be the year of all change. Think about it. All change. Our currency, our livelihood, everything. But if this was not going on right now, could you imagine being in the stock market and knowing what we know and the information that we're giving y'all? That way you guys know what we do every day, the work we put in just to go through this stuff. It's a lot of reading. It's a lot of breaking down. You got to figure them out. And that's how you make money in the stocks. Bloomberg. I'm going to check them out this morning. I meant to go ahead and pull this up, but we'll do it right now together. So, VTNR. Sorry, we couldn't find that result. Did I put it in right? VTNR. Yeah, VTNR. Well, that's weird. VTNR. Nothing. Okay. Oh well. Let's go down here and see what it says. So we know we're up in the volume. The news. This was talking about last week. What happened last week is when those reports came out. It had I think it was a low third quarter. Let me get back over here. Scroll down. Oh yeah, but look at that. That was one day ago. Is whenever that information actually came out on the MTR energy, all that energy information. I saw that a minute ago. Yep, that's what we pulled up. So I mean, they tell you what's going on here, but if you want to get down into the statistics of it, you just got to keep diving into it. BTNR, stock, and just type in and see what happens. See what comes up where you can actually just see what information pops up with it, and then just start digging. You got to start trusting some of these sites that give this vital information for us every day. And in my opinion, I think this is a sleeper stock. That's my opinion. This is Vertex energy stock. It's an energy stock. Those guys, they don't play when it comes to their money because they make it. That's why they get into it, because it's so vital, to even our existence. So they're planning on baking on this account, and it's only at $1.55. And people's got to sometimes you got to put these things in perspective, And if you look at long-term energy companies that have made it through the ruts, have made it through, the hard, bad, good times, and were able to actually prosper from it, well, it's just like any other energy company. They're just going to keep on growing. And where this one's actually, and just to double check again. Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. We'll double check one more time. Yeah, I'm just saying, you can see it. You make your own decisions. Everybody does. We're not pulling the trigger when you decide which one you're putting it in on. But it's a risk. And if you don't put in the money, if you don't take the chance, you can't reap the reward. But again, check out the stock. Look into it. Don't let it just slip by. Because I feel like that this is going to be a little pop. I mean, it's already had a good one this morning. It's already went up to 163. Now it's got to live up to it, come back down. The market's not even open yet. When this market opens, she's got something to prove this morning, I believe. This news has come out. That's their best time to shine. They love it. 2-year low after. Look at this downgrade. That was in the Don Jones. It was actually up in another stock this morning, the SP 500. I mean, that's what I'm saying. It's down in one, it's up in the other. Then one pushes the stock harder. It's insane, but I love it. I love going through the stocks. But yeah, we'll see where it goes, and we might go get in a little more in depth later. See how this stock stands out, because after closer towards the end of the year, I think we should start looking for long term again. I think we should start figuring out the new beast in the market. Besides all the AIs, let's see if they hold up to their name all year. Definitely invest a little bit if you can, but hold back if you want to. I mean, that's the whole thing. It's your decision. It's your choice. We're here to just give valid information. We read the charts, give the stocks, and we give this information out every single day on Banking with Billy Discord. It's $5 a month. That's nothing for the information that we're giving away. You can make that back in a day if you pay attention. You can make that back in 5 minutes if you pay attention. But either that, everybody have a good day. Happy trading.